In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can generate an image using AI in Perplexity. So this tool is not only for doing some research, there is also an AI image generator right in Perplexity. So I'm going to show you how you can do it, and also I will show you the best tips or the best practice when it comes to generating AI image. Now, what you need to do is just creating a new thread in Perplexity. For example, I'm going to copy and paste this prompt. So the prompt is generate a picture of a person that holds a sign that says subscribe. So that's the prompt that I'm going to send to the AI image. And I do recommend to just disable the pro search or the reasoning model, because this is using an AI image model, not research or not text model like ChatGPT or Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. And I do recommend to disable web, academic, and social search. They are not necessary. And after that, you can start creating a new thread by clicking on this button. Now we just need to wait until it finishes. By the way, I forgot to mention that you have to have the pro subscription. If you are using the free version, unfortunately, generating an image is not available. Now, on the right side of the screen, you will see there is a button that says generate image. You can click on it, and now you will see that there are 4 different options. There is painting, photograph, illustration, diagram. Do not click any of those. So this is very important. If you click any of those, you are basically going to create an image based on the answer of the AI. You're going to create an image using this prompt, which is not a prompt. This is just an answer from AI. Instead, I want to use the text that I prepared before. So I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to click generate image. And then here you have to click on this custom prompt button. And basically we have to customize the prompt that we want to use. So allow me to scroll down just a little bit. All right. Okay, I cannot see that. Let's try again. Okay. Now I'm going to remove this and I'm going to replace that with the prompt that I have prepared. Okay, so you can also select the style that you prefer. In this case, I'm going to make a picture to be, let's say, realistic. And when you're done with the prompting and the style, you can click submit. Okay, just wait until it finishes. This is usually only take just a few seconds to generate a nice looking image using AI. Okay, it is done. And there you go. It says subscribe. It is not perfect, but it is good enough for me. So as you can see, it actually tell about the model that it is being used for this image. Now, Playground is just one among many image models in Perplexity, and I actually do not recommend using Playground. So I do recommend you to replace or change the model with something else. I want you to use the Flux model. So in order to change the image model, basically you want to use the better version of the AI image model. You have to open settings right here and then go to account, scroll down, and on the image generation model, switch from Playground to Flux 1. There is DALL-E 3, but it's even worse. I think Flux is by far the best model right now. So after that, when you create a new thread, let's try the same prompting again. You'll see that it is going to be utilizing the Flux model. So let's click generate image again, custom prompt. Now replace that with the prompt that I have prepared, change the style to realistic, and click submit. Now we just need to wait until it finishes. Right, it's pretty quick, and there you go. It is definitely way better than the previous picture that was generated using Playground. I have done some testing, and Flux 1 is way better than Playground and DALL-E 3. So make sure you are using the Flux model. But anyway, that's how you can create an AI image in Perplexity. If you find this tutorial video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm probably going to make more videos about AI, so let me know if you like this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.